Welcome to the special edition of Neurology News Network. I'm Marco Meglio. Please excuse our appearance this week as a majority of the U.S. workforce, including the Neurology Live team, moves to working remote as we come together to help reduce the spread of the novel coronavirus. First up, Castleva Sciences announced that its lead drug candidate, somifelam, significantly improved a panel of validated Alzheimer's disease biomarkers in patients with clinically diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease in a phase 2b study, something that no drug has shown the ability to do to date. Patients with Alzheimer's disease administered with somifelam in the randomized placebo-controlled double-blind multi-center clinical study showed improvements in tests of episodic and spatial working memory compared with patients on placebo. Additionally, improvements in cognition correlated most strongly with decreases in p-tau 181, of which 8 to 11% reduction was recorded versus placebo. Jeffrey Cummings, the founding director of Cleveland Clinic's Lou Ruvo Center for Brain Health and the Chambers Professor of Brain Science at the University of Nevada, said in a statement, "I'm pleased to see the early evidence of disease-modifying effects in patients with this investigational drug. The data appeared to represent a step forward towards urgently needed treatments for Alzheimer's disease." Sogenex has announced that the top-line results of its phase 3 study, aptly named Study 3, of fenfluramine in patients with Dravet syndrome are positive, corroborating with the findings of the two prior phase 3 trials, Study 1 and Study 2. Ultimately, the international randomized double-blind trial included 143 children and young adults and revealed that those treated with 0.7 kilograms per day of fenfluramine experienced a 64.8% greater reduction in the mean monthly convulsive seizures compared to the placebo group. The median reduction in the monthly frequency of convulsive seizures was 73.7 for the fenfluramine group. Comparatively, the placebo group experienced a 7.6 monthly reduction. The study also expanded the evaluation of fenfluramine to more locals, this time including patients from Japan, in line with the company's plans to submit a new drug application for the oral treatment in 2021. The agent was approved in the U.S. for the treatment of Dravet syndrome in June of 2020. Interim analysis from the open-label extension of patients with relapsing forms of multiple sclerosis enrolled in the Daybreak study showed an association between ozanimod and low annualized relapse rates and low counts of new or enlarging T2 and gadolinium-enhanced lesions over time. At months 24 and 36, 79% and 75% of patients, respectively, were relapse-free. A cohort of 2,492 participants with a mean ozanimod exposure of 35.4 months revealed an annualized relapse rate of 0.112. Regardless of patient trial treatment group, mean number of new or enlarging T2 lesions per scan at 24 hours was similar, as well as the mean number of gadolinium-enhancing lesions at month 24. Confirmed disability progression was observed in 10.8% and 8.6% of participants at 3 and 6 months, respectively. And for more direct access to expert insight, head to neurologylive.com. This has been Neurology News Network. Thanks for watching.